I got the Steampunk train that you can find on Amazon. But let's look at the box first. Show what you get. So it is a decent box. Some writing there on the side. Even printing on the back. You get the Steampunk train. We do get some stickers. I didn't see where these go. I don't know if they were extra. Maybe I just wasn't following along good. Get a nice instruction book. Colors and everything. This is what I found the most interesting. So you get your Lego piece separator, but it also came with tweezers. And it looks like these are they're metal, so they're decent tweezers. And of course, you know, little extra pieces. I put it in a Ziploc bag to keep it all together. It didn't come in Ziploc bags. And then for the light unit, you have the USB or a battery pack, which we'll get into. So this is a little battery box, 3 AAA batteries, on-off switch. And it looks like to open it, you just slide it. So 3 batteries. So it shows when you use the battery box, you can just open this door and then slide the pack inside here because it's all empty in this. I guess I would think it'd be a tender after a steam opening, but it's like a carriage too. So it's all open in there. You get this little cat figure that comes with it. Not quite sure the meaning of that. You can see the wires here. I didn't know I had those tweezers till I was basically done building it. But that would have helped to get the wires going where they're supposed to go. Because you have these light up on the top here. They kind of come under the pieces. Everything under here has a light going. There's a light for the inside. Little these lights on the outside here and in the back. Let's look at the back here. So you can see the wires here. So it's open, hollow in there. You can put your figures or whatever you want inside there. See, the train only has the door on the one side. There's no door here. This probably turns better on a surface that's flat. This is kind of bent a little bit, but seems to work all right. The way it's set up is it doesn't matter where they go, everything is going to turn just because of the way it slides together. So some of the building stuff was fun. Others, like these, are kind of fragile the way it stays on there. So the front, you got LED right there for light. There's one behind here. There's one behind the cow catcher here. And I will turn on the lights. So I think it's unique. There's a lot of translucent pieces for, I guess it's supposedly ore, but ore isn't translucent. At least none that I've seen. But that makes it better for when you light it up. So it's a fun build. One thing is, this most likely won't work on your Lego track. So these wheels, the drive wheels here, would fit, but all the other wheels on this locomotive, you can see, they fit on that track. Let's look at the bottom. The wheels for everything else aren't actual like Lego wheels. They're pieces put together to look like wheels. I mean, they still turn, but they're not going to really work on a track too well. And also, they're all fixed, like the wheels here and the pilot, the front trucks. They're fixed in place. So a lot of Lego trains like this will have, they'll swivel to go with the track. This does not have that. So this won't make turns. You have to modify everything to run it on a Lego track. It's more of just a look at. We'll turn this on. You can see it's all lit up. I'll turn the lights off so you can see better. There's the lights behind here. Front one's pretty bright. Let's turn the lights off. You can see down below we got the light. We got the lights behind here. There's light all the way under throughout the whole thing. Inside the cab here, or inside the tender passenger car, whatever it's supposed to be. The cab, little smokestacks here, the lanterns, lantern. Let's see if we can get inside the actual cab there. It's just empty space. There's not any controls or anything like that. There's the door here. Looks like the cat's gonna be in the way, but there's nothing in there. It's hollow. You could put stuff in there. Let me turn off more lights. So there you go. It's darker. It's everything lights up a lot more. So I do like that it has the USB option, so you're not just draining batteries after batteries, because it's more of a display than it is to play with. So if you put it on the shelf, you just plug your USB in. So it does look neat. It was a fun build. So there it is. These were not the easiest to get in, because this kind of top piece kind of comes down over this on both these, and it's only connected right here. So once you push down, the whole thing kind of comes off. So it's kind of a difficult challenge to get this all in place. Get some grab bars. This is more of like those engine pieces, like gasoline engine pieces you get on some of the Lego stuff. But looks nice, look good on the shelf. And that is Amazon. You want to get one. They're about $80. I was looking at it for a while, and I found these, like, yes, I want to build it. I like building my train ones. So hopefully that helped with anything you're thinking about getting. And thanks for watching.